Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm gonna scoop my little butt around the way so we can do these unmoldings really quick because I'm about to craft and I need these. We're gonna start with this one because it always gives me grief. And I have no idea what this looks like. This is like a Frankenstein-esque, but it might just be two colors because I was doing a lot with those for a while. But yeah. Okay, let me get in here. Oi! Oh my gosh. This does not get any easier. Like, sometimes I feel like, oh my gosh. This is for me though. I'm using this for like my makeup brushes and like other makeup stuff because they're just thrown in the bathroom on a shelf. Oh my gosh, come on. Help. Help, help, help. Oh wait, no, I see a hint of blue here. I don't know if y'all can see it, like a little hint of blue. Okay, this is cute. This is cute. Oh. Oh my goodness. I saw someone say that they put oil in their molds to get them out easier. I think at this point we're enjoying me struggle with these. Ooh, this blue is, oh, this is pretty. Okay, wait a minute. Yeah, baby. Okay, yeah. We got, what, 4 colors in here? We got blue, black, like a whitish, grayish, and yellow. Okay, I'm not mad at it. This is really pretty. Damn, I low-key want to sell this. This is really pretty. Okay, so now I have an idea of something else I'm gonna do. This is really pretty. So that's mine, so I can plop my things in as opposed to, it's just the bottom half of the ashtray, the car trays. But yeah, this is obviously an incense holder. Easy peasy. Okay, it's brown, like a little hint of gold. Yeah, simple, nothing crazy. But yeah, let me scoot back around. There's a lot going on over here. I like move slow so I don't fall or knock anything over. But yeah, got those. We're gonna take pictures. I don't know. I feel like I don't know what I want to do with this. I feel like I might replicate it because this looks so good. Like even the inside, it looks like that painting. Was it Starry Night? You know, like the black and the yellow and the browns, not the browns, the whites and the blacks and yellows. This is what this is giving. This is so pretty. And then like the inside, y'all can see like the inside, how in here looks like marble-ish. I'm about to make a table that looks like this. I don't know. But yeah, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out all the things we have available. Pointless talks, pointless creates, pointless unmoldings, pointless unboxings, everything. Subscribe, tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Order some things, you know. I make tables and joint now, so order some things. And yeah, just like everything else here, we do at Pointless Talks, Pointless Creates, Pointless Everything. Whether you got hair on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.